Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw the Pokemon Sunflora. Before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any of that would be incredible and greatly appreciated. Alright, so I'm going to get started drawing Sunflora. I'm going to do a petal first, actually. So Sunflora is like a sunflower Pokemon, and she's got all kinds of like flower petals. So they're kind of like this little shape, almost like the shape of like a Hershey Kiss. So there's one. And we're going to draw them kind of like in a circle shape. So we're like surrounding Sunflora's face. In the middle of all these little flower petals is going to be Sunflora's face. So two, and we can kind of start to draw the shape of the face as we go. Just a little circle shape. And then we can kind of fill in those little petal shapes there. Maybe some are a little bit bigger than others. It's all right if they are. They don't all have to be exactly the same. Doesn't have to be perfect. So let's see, let's draw a few more. Okay, so now I'm going to draw a few little bits kind of sticking in out from behind those flower petals. So these are some flower petals that are just in behind. So we can only really see the little points. So I'm just going to fill those in, all these little spaces here. All right, so next, let's do the face. So I'm going to do a curved line coming up this way, and another one, and it's doing a curve, okay? We're following the curve, the shape of that face, that circular face. So it's not a perfectly straight line. They're following that curve. And in the middle, we're going to do a cute little smile. It's going to be an open mouth smile, nice and happy. And we can do super cute little eyes. They're like little upside down U's. We got a really cute little happy Sunflora. I'm going to thicken up these upside down U shaped eyes. All right, so now let's do a little bit of a neck here. And then a bit of a belly. And Sunflora's arms are little leaves. So we can do a bit of a wavy leaf. You can see it's getting thinner the closer it is to the body. And do a little line here in the middle. And let's do the other leafy arm. And now 2 feet. So kind of like 2 little toes on each little foot. One more here. Okay, and there we go. We have our drawing done, and now I'm going to get started on the coloring. All right, folks, we're finished our drawing. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!